What is going on, Rocket Lab investor? So we are at $17.36 in the after hours, $16.75. So we are dropping, and this is to be expected. We had an absolute massive run up, and there's going to be sell-offs. There's going to be massive sell-offs. Reddit has officially caught wind of Rocket Lab, and a ton of investments were made into Rocket Lab, and now they have pulled their investment out. So if you do some searches on Reddit, you will see that people pulled out $20,000, $30,000, $50,000, $100,000 in profits, and it sucks because we're now feeling the after effect. And this is always to be expected when you have a massive run up in investing. You have to get used to this. These things are going to happen. It sucks, but now just look at it this way. We have tasted that we can hit $22. That's the highest that we hit, and now we're back down to $16.75. I wouldn't be surprised if we pull back down to 14 or maybe even less, but that's great for me. And I'm sure a ton of you have the same thoughts. You want to buy more because we know what we can reach, and I think we're going to go past 22.55. If a catalyst does not happen between Neutron launch and now, we will trade sideways. But there is a potential that we could score a NASA contract between that. And I really think thoroughly that we will score a contract. There's always the possibility that in December we can score that Mars mission. Rocket Lab can pull in $2 billion from NASA, and that would skyrocket us up back to, I would say we'd hit 25. If we were in the $10 range, I really think we would hit $25. Maybe even $30 if we pulled that contract. I don't know. I don't think we're going to be able to pull that contract. I think it's going to go to SpaceX. But regardless, the next catalyst is Neutron. And you have to be aware that if Neutron is successful, that will be a big catalyst and we will skyrocket in the stock. But if Neutron fails the launch, let's say it blows up on the pad or blows up in the air, we're going to have a massive sell-off. So that's just kind of the risk that comes with space investing. But I thoroughly believe in Peter Beck and I thoroughly believe in Rocket Lab, so I think we will have a successful Neutron launch. At least I really hope we do. And if we do, that will open up a ton of potential in this stock. And I think we might trade sideways until then, or a catalyst. And then afterwards, I think that's when the money will start to flow in. We'll start to get Neutron contracts. Then we will eventually, hopefully, launch a constellation. There's big money in constellation, and with Neutron, we have the ability to launch our own constellation. So Peter Beck has not said that he's officially going to create a constellation, but he has said that almost all of his launches, he expects that Neutron to be Rocket Lab launches, and that's only going to happen if we create a constellation. So I think that's the game plan. He's just not saying it because he doesn't really want to stir the pot between Elon Musk and Starlink. But I want to know from you, are we going to go up? Do you think we're going to go up in the price, or do you think we're going to have a bigger pullback? Or do you think we're going to hang out in the $15 to $16 range? Do you think that's our new plateau? I would love if we go back down to 10. I really will struggle buying 1,000 more shares at 16. I'm a little more comfortable at 10 because then I know all we have to do is hit $20 for me to double my money. So the lower that we go, the better. But we're just in such a unique time right now. The market could go berserk. The market could have major pullbacks. We're seeing that in real time right now. But either way, we're up a good amount. I mean, $16, $16.76 compared to the $9 that it was. To hit $22 was absolutely amazing, and I think we will get there eventually. It just might take a very, very long time. So comment down below your thoughts and opinions. I want to hear how you think we're going to go going forward. Do you think we're going to drop in price? Do you think we're going to go up? I'd love to hear it. I'd appreciate it. Appreciate everyone that's been watching the videos and commenting, liking, but I hope you have a good one. This video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research and consult a professional before making any financial investments.